Hey folks, today we're looking at this fantastic Nicewell kitchen scale. I'm going to give you a demonstration. First off, it's easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a wet rag. Soapy rag will work just fine. Look at the gloss finish on this thing. It's absolutely amazing. Really a beautiful scale. On the back, you can see it takes 2 AAA batteries, and it does have some very nice rubber feet to keep it from scratching up your kitchen, your surfaces, and to give you a good grip. Again, it cleans off very easily. On-off button will calibrate the scale every single time, setting it to 0, 0. And the tare feature, just by pressing the tare feature, will eliminate the weight of your containers. You can scroll through the units, changing them. You have grams, kilograms, ounces, and fluid ounces, just by going through. A very simple and sophisticated unit. Easy to use, great quality, and really fantastic. You can see I'm just scrolling through the different units so I can use it accordingly. Now we can go ahead and fill this thing up. It calibrates correctly down to the gram. So say if I want a certain amount of grams of popcorn, you see I have 12 grams of popcorn, and if I want 13, 14, maybe 15 or 16, I can just add a few extra in there, a few extra kernels. So this thing is absolutely very, very accurate. You can tear it out again to calibrate it back to 0, and you can also calibrate it by turning it on and off. A fantastic scale. Again, accuracy down to the gram. You can see that Lifesaver plus bag weighs 4 grams. Go ahead and order it today. You absolutely will not be disappointed. This thing is fantastic.